Hey everyone, Dale here. So I wanted to show with you guys, I'm a Ryobi fan, but I picked these up, I don't know, probably about 3 or 4 months ago. Picked this one up and I found another one. They sell these little kits with Ryobi and I find them so handy. As I get older, I start to like things that come in a kit. It's so much easier to take care of, so much easier to put away. So little Ryobi kit. I wish they had the marking on it, what it is inside, but that's pretty minimal. They come in a nice little locking case here. You just pop this and boom, you got a little ratchet set. Now I put this in because it didn't have an extension, but look at that, you got a nice little socket set, all the way from 4 all the way up to 15. You got millimeter on this side and standard on this side. You got a nice little ratchet. Everything fits in. I've used this kit more than I've used a lot of my other tools. You can put this guy in here. They just pop in, pop out. They got little plastic inserts right here. They've come in so handy, throwing them in the truck or in the car when you're going on a trip. I do RV stuff, so it's always handy. I can just take this underneath the RV with me. You know, they stay in there pretty good. They don't fall out. And the nice thing, it goes, you know, when you're missing one, you know you're missing it. They're printed really big. You can see that. They got a really big print on them, which is nice. Like 9/16 Ryobi. Getting the camera there. Nice big print on them. They're really nice, and you know that they come in the kit is just so handy. Look at that. It's perfect. Fits anywhere. Fit in the back of your seat on your vehicle if you have a pouch, or it can fit underneath the back seat. Just works awesome. And they're 6-point ratcheting, millimeter and standard, large size. Comes perfect. I just wish they had one of these guys in there, but I just throw that in there anyway. So that's that one I got. Really love it. If I can find another one, I'll probably buy it. I think I got this one on sale too. I think it was around 20 to 25 bucks at Home Depot. So then I was in the other day and I found another one, but this is a different, same size as this guy, and it's locking. But this one has all your bits in it, and I'm always needing bits. Kind of the thing is I need sockets and I need bits. So it's got a 1/2 inch, 1 9/16. I guess that's probably the standard if you're looking for sockets. These things pop up like that. These pop up for easy access, so you can get whatever you need. When you're done, you just push them back. But it's got your you know, your Phillips and your Robinsons, and then it's got Torx bits, as well as these guys here, which is like a 5/16. You know, it's nice. I always carry my drill with me in my vehicle, so 1/4 inch. And what do we got here? That's probably a 3/16. And again, everything holds in there really well, which is nice. You got your 1/2 inch. These guys are in here a little tight. But nice to have. I mean, I already have the ratcheting set here, so you know, I don't really need those, but it's nice to have. They're going to be in the truck too, so why not, right? But I mean, look at those. They're awesome little cases. Just love them. You know, I always thought of Ryobi for power tools, but they're getting into this stuff, and I love it. That's so handy. You know, you just pop them out, put it in, you know where it goes, put it back. There's a couple extra spaces if I wanted to put something else in here. But yeah, and then they just, these seems really rugged too, like they just snap. Unlock. Perfect, you know, and they stack. So what I'm thinking about doing is just getting some white marker and marking on here sockets, or bits on here, sockets on here, and there you go. Like that's kind of your basic, what you need for a vehicle right there. So yeah, I love them. I think they're awesome. Let me know, guys, what you think. This guy here, this was the last one in Home Depot, and it was $21.99. I thought, $21.99, I'm going for it, just because I love the way it's in the case. I think these can be moved around too, but I'm not sure. I love that it's in the case. I love everything's organized, you know. It's just awesome to grab one of these when you're working on something and just pop it out. Just perfect. Okay, so what else I got? Well, while I was at Home Depot, even though I'm not a big Dewalt fan, yeah, so while I was at Home Depot, I found these guys too. I think another day I went in, and they were in a kit too. And the only reason I bought these, because I'm not a huge Dewalt fan, but is the same reason. They come in a kit. And these ones got the clear, which that would have been nice if Ryobi did the clear on it too. But then you can actually tell what's inside. So I got these on sale for, I think, $11.99 each, which is a steal of a deal. So I think I'll keep these in my garage, and these guys will come with me in my truck. So let's get into these. I'll rip these off and show you these guys. Okay, got my Princess Auto knife here. I love these guys. Titan. They go on sale too. I think you can usually get them for like $3 to $6, these guys. So let's open this guy up. And they're nice and sharp. You definitely want to watch you don't cut yourself with them. I don't know why they make them so hard to get out. Anyway, so here we got these guys. They go from 1/16 to 1/4. Nice little kit. Wonder how these snap together. Yeah, so not as big on these clips, because this clip now stands out. See, that kind of makes it sit high. Unless they're supposed to clip together or something. That could be why. Maybe they all clip together. That would be kind of neat. But yeah, these are a little more flimsy compared to the Ryobi ones. I like the Ryobi ones better. But anyway, you get to see what's inside. Opens up. Pretty cool. Always need drill bits. That's kind of handy. Let's open this one up. They make these things so difficult. Okay. So there's the other kit. Looks like there's a couple missing there. I guess you can put in your own. Same thing. That pops and locks. You get to see what's inside, which is kind of cool, which I like over this, whereas you can't see inside. But I guess these would be more durable too. But I guess where that one flaws, this one makes up for, or vice versa. But yeah, kind of cool. Do they swing out? Not as well. Oh, that fell off. Yeah, so the quality is just not here as much as the other one, but I like how these ones rotate out. But anyway, so that clips. Now, I wonder with the brackets on the back. Are they stackable? Aha! They are that's why they stick out. So they're stackable, right? You put them there, boom, now they're stackable. So that's kind of cool, I guess. It's locked in here in the back. So that's kind of cool, right? Dewalt has a good idea there, I guess, for transferring. So then you can just open that one, or if you need to get to the bottom one, that one pops off. Yeah, they fall out a little bit, but. So this channel, what does this channel do? This channel, oh yeah, this channel locks into here, like that. Okay. And then this comes around here, you open this up. Boom. Locks it like that. That's pretty cool. Still like my Ryobi better for comparison. Ryobi's a little bit bigger. You can beat these around a lot more, and all you got to do is let it know what's inside. They just feel more solid. But these are not, for $11.99 each and 20 something each. I mean, I'd buy these, you know, as a kit for in the shop or in the shed or whatever. These are cool. Definitely use them. So that's cool. Let me know what you guys think of these things. And if you'd buy them, or if you've bought them, and if anybody knows what else you can buy for this kit, because it looks like you'd probably purchase more to be able to stack them, you know. I'm sure there's other ones too. And if anybody's also seen any more of these that come in something else, let me know, because I'd be interested. These are so cool. I don't know what else I would need, but maybe extensions or something. That would be kind of cool. But yeah, let me know what you think of these guys, and please like and share, and ciao for now.